What's going on, YouTube? Race day again. So hopefully I'll be able to wear this, with the breathing, making sure I'm able to breathe while running and things. 26.2 miles, Fox Valley Marathon. I'm talking fast because I'm looking at the time. I'm going to be headed out soon. So anyways, this is the unboxing of the Supreme Gore-Tex Windstopper face mask. Now I got it in camouflage. Pretty excited about it. Yeah, this is it right here. Alright, cut that thumbnail anyway. That's what it looks like right there. Took out the plastic. So definitely going to be when I'm using this when I'm cycling. So see right here, Comfort Gore-Tex. Pretty excited, man. Pretty excited about it. Has the little things right here. It says totally waterproof, extreme breathable skin comfort. So pretty happy, man. When performance is priority and waterproofness isn't. So pretty excited about this mask, man. Have the little breathing capabilities right there too. So yeah, man, little thin, have the little straps right there. See the little Supreme logo, Windstopper, trademark, Supreme going around. So pretty excited about wearing this mask, man. So you all have this, or I think it's cool. I think it's very cool, and its functions too, because we're not just going for things that look pretty. It could actually function. So like, subscribe, share if you have this. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it. One love.